In this video, we are going to determine signal energy or signal power for trigonometric function of degree more than 1. So the signal x of t is given as cos square omega 0 t. So we have to determine whether the given signal is energy or power signal by calculating its energy or power. Before applying a formula of energy of the signal, let's reduce this order 2 into order 1, meaning I will use the formula of cos square theta, which is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So what this formula is doing? Converting degree 2 to degree 1 so that further analysis will become easy. Let's see how. So x of t, I will get 1 plus cos 2 omega 0 t whole divided by 2. Now this signal having two parts in it. The first part is a constant number 1 by 2 and second part is sinusoidal function of magnitude 1 by 2. Now let's find out energy of this signal. A infinity equals integral whose limit from minus infinity to plus infinity x square t dt. So if I substitute this value, I'll get integral minus infinity to infinity 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega 0 t the whole square dt. I can square this term by applying the formula of a plus b the whole square, which is one by 4 plus, if I multiply, I'll get 1 by 4 cos 2 omega 0 t multiplied by 2. So in the end, it will be 1 by 2 cos 2 omega 0 t plus b square, which is 1 by 4 cos square 2 omega 0 t. dt. So cos square theta formula here also I can apply to reduce second degree to first degree, the way we have done in the first step. So in the end I will get A infinity equals integral minus infinity to plus infinity 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega 0 t plus 1 by 4 is a constant, and instead of cos square 2 omega 0 t I can put 1 plus cos 4 omega 0 t upon 2. So in the end, if I simplify, I will get A infinity as integral minus infinity to infinity 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega 0 t plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 cos 4 omega 0 t into dt. Now I can club 1 by 4 and 1 by 8 to get 3 by 8. So in the end, integral minus infinity to infinity 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega 0 t plus 1 by 8 cos 4 omega 0 t into dt. This is what I will get for E infinity. Now let's find out the integration, which is nothing but 3 by 8 into t. Integration of cos is sine, so plus 1 by 2 sine 2 omega 0 t upon 2 omega 0 plus 1 by 8 sine 4 omega 0 t upon 4 omega 0. The limits are minus infinity to infinity. If I apply the limits, I will get E infinity as 3 by 8 into infinity plus 1 by 4 omega 0 into sine infinity plus 1 by 16 omega 0 sine infinity as the upper limit minus lower limit 3 by 8 minus infinity. If I put over here sine minus infinity, it will give me minus sine infinity. So in the end, I will get minus 1 by 4 omega 0 sine infinity minus 1 by 16 omega 0 sine infinity. We have discussed that sine of any angle is always a finite number. So I can consider this term as a finite number. Similarly, this is also a finite number. Plus, there are two more terms which will give you a finite values. Meaning, all these finite values ultimately give you a finite number, but here is an infinity and minus minus infinity becomes infinity. So in the end, infinity get added with infinity plus finite number. So lastly, this equation tends to or become equal to infinity. So pertaining to this, I can say signal is not an energy signal. This I can show. So in order to get its power, let's apply the formula. So power of the signal is P infinity equals limit t tending to infinity 1 upon 2t integral minus t to t x square t dt. I think as far as this integration part is concerned, maximum work we have already done while calculating energy. So I will take the final integral expression for this. So I can say P infinity equals limit t tending to infinity 1 upon 2t integral exists from minus t to t, and x square t we have calculated while finding the energy is this much. So I will take this equation as it is. So it is 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega 0 t plus 1 by 8 cos 4 omega 0 t. dt. So let's solve this integral, which will be limit t tend to infinity 1 upon 2t is the time period, and after solving the integral we'll get 3 by 8 into t plus 1 by 2 sine 2 omega 0 t upon 2 omega 0 plus 1 by 8 sine 4 omega 0 t upon 4 omega 0, and limits are minus t to t. So further simplifying, I can say the terms inside the bracket are 3 by 8 into t plus 1 by 4 omega 0 sine 2 omega 0 t plus 1 by 32 omega 0 sine 4 omega 0 t. Limits are from minus t to t. So let's apply the limit. So after applying the limits, we'll get 3 by 8 into t plus 1 by 4 omega 0 into sine 2 omega 0 into capital T plus 1 by 32 omega 0 into sine 4 omega 0 t. This we will get as a result of upper limit, minus if I apply the lower limit, it will be minus 3 upon 8 capital T. Since the angle is minus and sine of minus angle is minus sine of that particular angle, meaning it will be minus 1 by 4 omega 0 sine 2 omega 0 t minus 1 by 32 omega 0 sine 4 omega 0 t. So these are the terms we will be getting. If I simplify this, I'll come to know 2 times of this bracket will be the total answer. So P infinity becomes limit t tend to infinity 1 upon 2t multiplied by 2 times bracket. So it's 2 times 3 by 8 into capital T plus 1 by 4 omega 0 into sine 2 omega 0 t plus 1 by 32 omega 0 sine 4 omega 0 t. So to get cancelled, and if I multiply it by t and separating out the limits, I will get limit t tend to infinity, nothing but 3t upon 8t plus 1 upon 4 omega 0 is a constant, limit t tend to infinity sine 2 omega 0 t by t plus 1 upon 32 omega 0 limit t tend to infinity sine 4 omega 0 t upon t. Since t tending to infinity, meaning t not equal to infinity. Why this is required? Because from this I can cancel out t. Next, for this part, we know sine of any angle will be a finite number, but that finite number is divided by infinity, which is tending to or which is equal to 0. Same will be the case for this limit. We are getting finite upon infinite, which is 0. So if I apply this, in the end I will get power equal to 3 upon 8, a constant number. Moreover, it is a finite number. So being a finite number which is equal to power, I can say given signal is a power signal. So over here we have seen a trigonometric function of the degree more than 1 still can be considered as a power signal because we are getting power of that signal of finite number. Thank you.